In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to earn money online, and one lucrative avenue is through affiliate marketing. One platform that has been gaining traction for affiliate marketing is Pinterest. In this video, we will delve into how you can generate $2,000 or more per month using Pinterest affiliate marketing. Significance of leveraging Pinterest for affiliate marketing. Pinterest is not just a social media platform for sharing recipes and DIY projects. It is a powerful tool for driving traffic and sales. With over 400 million monthly active users, Pinterest offers a vast audience to tap into for affiliate marketing. Its visual nature makes it ideal for showcasing products and inspiring users to make purchases. Income potential of $2,000 plus month through Pinterest. The income potential on Pinterest is immense, with many affiliate marketers earning well over $2,000 per month. Unique approach Pinterest offers compared to other social media platforms. Unlike other social media platforms where content can quickly get buried in feeds, Pinterest operates more like a search engine, where pins can continue to drive traffic and generate sales long after they are posted. This evergreen nature of Pinterest content offers a unique advantage for affiliate marketers looking to maximize their earnings. Getting started with Pinterest affiliate marketing. If you're looking to dip your toes into the world of affiliate marketing on Pinterest, it's essential to understand the basics and kickstart your journey toward earning $2,000 or more per month. Create a Pinterest business account if you don't have one. To get started with affiliate marketing on Pinterest, you'll need to have a Pinterest business account. If you don't already have one, you can easily convert your personal account into a business account or create a new one specifically for your affiliate marketing efforts. A business account provides access to valuable analytics and features that can help you track your performance and reach a larger audience. Research and select affiliate programs that align with your niche. Before you start promoting affiliate products on Pinterest, take the time to research and select affiliate programs that align with your niche and target audience. Look for programs that offer products or services that resonate with your followers and fit seamlessly into your content. Optimize your Pinterest profile and boards for affiliate marketing purposes. To maximize your success with affiliate marketing on Pinterest, optimize your profile and boards for this purpose. Use keywords related to your niche in your profile bio and board descriptions, and create boards specifically dedicated to the products or services you'll be promoting as an affiliate. By organizing your content strategically, you can make it easier for users to discover and engage with your affiliate links. Creating engaging affiliate pins. To succeed in affiliate marketing on Pinterest and reach your goal of earning $2,000 or more per month, it's crucial to design captivating pins that not only attract attention but also drive traffic and conversions effectively. Use high-quality images and compelling graphics in your pins. The visual aspect of Pinterest is key to capturing users' attention as they scroll through their feeds. Make sure to use high-quality images that are visually appealing and relevant to the products or services you are promoting as an affiliate. Incorporate compelling graphics, such as overlays or text, to make your pins stand out and entice users to click through. Craft clear and concise pin descriptions with strong call to actions. In addition to eye-catching visuals, the text accompanying your pins plays a vital role in driving engagement and conversions. Craft clear and concise pin descriptions that highlight the benefits of the affiliate product or service and include a strong call to action prompting users to take the desired action, whether it's clicking through to the affiliate link or making a purchase. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel, like I am doing right now. And you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. There is also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. Now let's continue. Implement SEO strategies to increase the visibility of your affiliate pins. To ensure your affiliate pins reach a wider audience on Pinterest, it's essential to implement SEO strategies. Use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions, board titles, and pin titles to optimize your content for search visibility. By incorporating SEO best practices, you can increase the chances of your affiliate pins being discovered by users searching for related content on Pinterest. Growing your Pinterest audience. To achieve success in affiliate marketing and reach your income goal of $2,000 or more per month, it's essential to focus on growing your Pinterest audience strategically. By implementing effective strategies, you can maximize your reach and engagement with potential customers. Engage with other users by repining and commenting on relevant content. One of the best ways to grow your Pinterest audience is by actively engaging with other users' content. Take the time to repin and comment on relevant pins in your niche to establish connections and attract followers who share similar interests. By engaging with the Pinterest community, you can increase your visibility and build relationships that can lead to increased traffic and conversions for your affiliate links. Utilize Pinterest analytics to track performance and optimize your strategy. Pinterest offers valuable analytic tools that can provide insights into the performance of your pins and boards. By monitoring metrics such as impressions, clicks, and saves, you can identify which content resonates with your audience and optimize your strategy accordingly. Use this data to refine your pinning schedule, content strategy, and affiliate promotions for maximum impact. Collaborate with influencers or group boards to expand your reach. Collaborating with influencers or joining group boards on Pinterest can significantly expand your reach and expose your affiliate content to a larger audience. Partnering with influencers who have a strong following in your niche or participating in group boards with active members can help you attract new followers and drive more traffic to your affiliate links. By leveraging the reach of others, you can accelerate the growth of your Pinterest audience and increase your affiliate marketing success. Maximizing affiliate earnings. To take your affiliate marketing efforts on Pinterest to the next level and achieve your income target of $2,000 or more per month, it's crucial to explore advanced techniques that can help you boost your earnings and maximize your success. Experiment with different pin formats and posting schedules to find what works best. One way to increase your affiliate earnings is to experiment with different pin formats to see which types resonate best with your audience. Additionally, testing out various posting schedules can help you determine the optimal times to reach your target audience and drive engagement with your affiliate content. A/B Test your pins to optimize for higher click-through rates and conversions. A/B testing your pins involves creating multiple versions of the same pin with slight variations and tracking their performance to identify which elements lead to higher click-through rates and conversions. By testing different visuals, copy, and call-to-action buttons, you can optimize your pins for maximum effectiveness and increase your affiliate earnings. Build relationships with your audience to establish trust and loyalty. Building a strong relationship with your Pinterest audience is key to establishing trust and loyalty, which can ultimately lead to higher conversions and increased affiliate earnings. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and providing valuable content that resonates with their interests. By fostering a sense of community and connection, you can build a loyal following that is more likely to support your affiliate promotions and make purchases through your links. As we wrap up this video on Pinterest affiliate marketing strategies to help you earn $2,000 or more per month, let's recap the key points discussed and encourage you to take action to maximize your affiliate earnings. Recap the benefits of Pinterest affiliate marketing for generating income. Pinterest offers a unique platform for affiliate marketing, with its visual nature, search engine-like functionality, and vast user base providing ample opportunities to drive traffic and conversions. By leveraging Pinterest effectively, you can tap into a lucrative income stream and achieve your financial goals. Encourage viewers to implement the strategies learned in the video. Now that you've learned about creating engaging affiliate pins, growing your Pinterest audience, and maximizing your earnings, it's time to put these strategies into action. Experiment with different pin formats, engage with your audience, and optimize your content to drive results and increase your affiliate earnings on Pinterest. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 80 to choose from.